Welcome back to Straight 6. The next car in line is gonna be 2016 4 Series Grand Coupe. It's the weird animal. It's the coupe with 4 doors. Or is that a sedan like the coupe? Or is it like, I don't even know. The car came to us from Sacramento, from North California. And usually we have, as from our experience, we have good cars, well maintained from that area. But not in this case. The car came from the auction with mechanical damage, and the previous owner or the insurance company, they tried to mess with it and they parted out like half of the engine, not half of the engine, but just they open the valve cover, they pull out the coils, they pull out one spark plug. I don't know what they try to see inside of the block. I didn't see anything. Maybe we will be able to start the engine, but we need to put the car on the lift first and try to turn it manually. Let's do it a little bit later, but for now I will show you how the car looks like from outside. And as you can see, the car looks stock. It's the regular. It's not even an M Sport package. Regular front bumper, regular wheels, just regular side skirts and the rear bumper, not even M Sport, but it has mirrors with warning sign and 360 view cameras, and also we have a camera right here and on the back in here, and it's the 435. Then also we have black headliner for the Grand Coupe and beautiful brown interior. I wish it's gonna be M Sport, but it's just a regular package. Also, the car comes with the Harman Kardon sound system right here, and BT navigation from 2016. Lane departure, lane assistant, all of that good stuff. I don't even know which one is which, but you guys know better than me. Let me show you what's under the hood. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nice burnout. They try to mess with the engine, and they removed the valve cover from here, coils, and also they removed the first spark plug, and they kept the rest of it. What we're gonna do, we will get the car in, turn it manually, and then we'll see if it turns. We're gonna go ahead and put the valve cover back, put the coils back, we'll have one spark plug, and we'll try to start it. And also we need to put the rails in here, injector rails. I think that's it. Besides that, I don't see anything else except of this damage right here and the engine. So let's get the car in, and we'll try to start it. So, as you guys know, that 4 Series, they don't have that frame as 3 Series sedan 4-door. Even if it's the 4-door, it doesn't have it. If you lower the window, the door is gonna be that small right here, and it's very good for us. We can ship it with FedEx. So guys, we removed the fan. We put everything back together from the trunk, and now we'll try to start the car. So we got all the wiring back. We got the fuel lines, coils, everything back in the right order. We broke this line on the way, trying to remove the fan. So we plug it with red plugs. Put the map sensor in, and well, it should be good. Let's try to start it. Looks like the fuel is not coming in. Okay, we checked, everything looked good. Attempt number 2. Battery is discharging. The fuel pump is working. Some parking. Looks like the battery is not enough. We need to connect another battery. Okay, attempt number 3. Oops, issue in here. Yeah, that's not good. Hey guys, this is attempt number 4 or maybe 5. Okay, let's go. So we're trying to start the car, and we see that there's an oil cooler that's damaged and it's leaking right in the bucket. So you can see there is something mixed with like water or antifreeze mixed with oil, so probably the engine is shot. So at this point we'll stop any attempts to restart this engine. We'll measure the compression in this cylinder right here where the spark plug was missing, and if it shows 0 or anything close to that, we'll just part out the car and call it a day. So after many of unsuccessful attempts to start the car, so we measured the compression on the engine
and the results are we have 60, 85, 0, 0, 95, 0, and we have even more of this substance. Yeah, it's some kind of water in here, or I don't know what it is, but there are 3 zeros on 3 cylinders, so we just gotta part it out. And we'll start as always with the interior. And it's the end of the day, number 1, dismantling 4 Series Grand Coupe, and this is what we got left from the interior. Nothing much except of the driver's seat that needs to come out, then the armrest, everything from the dash is gone. We got all the modules. We got here, what do we have? The head unit, shifter, wheel. It took us really long time to remove the steering wheel airbag because it's non-sport and those clips are really tricky. So tomorrow we gotta continue on the interior, removing the headliner, then removing the side curtain airbags, some modules in the trunk, and then we can complete the interior. Exterior wise, there is not a lot, but Grand Coupe is really different and I would say well engineered in a way of all these shocks and compartments. We'll see how long it's gonna take us to remove the rest, but we killed a really long time today trying to start the engine, measuring compression, figuring out what's the issue with the car. So we will continue tomorrow. Guys, so we completed the interior dismantling and the car is already on the lift. Now we gotta be working on the suspension, wheels, taking off the good stuff. So but right now the interior is completely gone. We took everything that we needed from the car, so apparently we're not taking all these carpets, so we just don't have enough space to store it all. But what we gotta remove is of course the front clip, fenders, and we dropped the complete engine, and then we separate it from the transmission, the suspension components, and hopefully it will be done by the end of today. It's the end of day 2, car is on the lift, and let's take a look at the progress made. The front clip is gone, and look how clean the engine is. Not a spot of oil, but it didn't help it. Bent radiator, oil cooler, and we removed all the suspension, front and back. The rear bumper is gone. So everything is ready to go. The last thing that's left is to drop that engine, and we gotta be ready to take that car to the scrapyard. And look at this radiator, it's really clean. That's why I like to work with 2016 cars, because you get super clean parts. And here what we got inside, look at that, that's a Nesquik right here. That's nasty. Draining out of everywhere. Got the gasoline here, got the oil. All right. The engine is out, and now we need to take the car from the lift with a forklift, load it with the trash, remaining parts that we don't take, and disassemble the engine and transmission.